How to watch live on TikTok without them knowing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see if we can watch TikTok live without them knowing. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to understand that watching live stream on TikTok without the streamer knowing is not a feature which the TikTok officially allows, as the platform provides creator with live viewer data. However, there are some other ways that would reduce your visibility while still being able to watch a live video. The first method is that you can use a secondary account. You can create another TikTok account that is not connected to your main account. In this way, if you watch a live stream, the creator won't know that who you are since it's not tied to your personal profile. So for that, simply log into your secondary account to watch live anonymously. If you don't want to create a secondary account, in some cases you can use the TikTok website and watch a live stream without having to log into your account. This method might not always work and the experience might be limited, but you won't have to log in to watch, which means that you will not be tracked as a viewer. So hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.